What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect PayPal to your Coffee page. So let's go ahead and get started. Now first off, once you log in into your Coffee page or a Coffee account, you would need to go to settings. So just go ahead and click on these three horizontal lines in the upper right corner and select settings right here. Once you're on the settings menu, just go ahead and click on payment right here. So from here on the payment page, you have a choice between connecting PayPal or Stripe. So in this video, I will connect my PayPal account to this Coffee page. So let's go ahead and select PayPal then. Now PayPal is just running a security check. And on this page right here, you would need to input your PayPal email and the country of your PayPal account, or your country or region. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. Once you inputted your email account or your email address and selected the region or your country, just go ahead and click on next. Now you would need to log in into your PayPal account, so just go ahead and input the password and click login. And lastly, you would just need to allow Coffee permission to connect to your PayPal account. So just go ahead and click on allow right here, or you can view all the permissions if you wish on this link right here. So I will just click allow. Then PayPal might ask you to verify some information, so just go ahead and input the correct information so it matches on your government issued ID. Once you inputted all the information required by PayPal, just go ahead and click on next. Then you might need to confirm your address, so I will click on recommended one and click confirm. Now if you have a business, you would need to input the information required again, so your business registration number, your full legal name, and so on. Now once you inputted all that, just go ahead and click on next again. And there we go, your Coffee account has been linked to PayPal. So you can just go ahead and click return to Coffee. And as you can see right here, it says connected. So that's guys how you can connect your PayPal account to your Coffee page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.